Cho. A long time me no washing you. Hey Siren.
Hello.
You good? You know so you knows to have a nice shape. Me just to realize.
Way you want Selena, or only when you want sinting you give me compliment.
Alright. Me can borrow one of you blouse.
Wah, you ever a borrow me clothes. You can't wash for you and tap borrow. Way you think me a run. Pawn shop.
You Siren. You allowed me up some? All you nuffy chat and you remember when you one jaws did full of shit stain and it couldn't come out? Me affy give you one. MHM you shut up now.
You still want the blouse.
Keep it. Me rather wear scandal bag. You duty weave moosey a scratch you feel hype.